Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a wig unboxing and install. This wig is from Karlami Hair. This is a 99J 26-inch 180% density deep wave wig. I've never ever had a colorful deep wave or curly wig before, so this is a first, and y'all, it's kind of cute. Like, it's kind of eating, you guys. Like I was saying, I look like the Little Mermaid. I look like a Memphis Little Mermaid. I like it. I like it. It's kind of eating the girlies up. But this wig was sent to me by Karlami. I'm going to link it in the description box, of course, so you all can check it out. We're going to go ahead and get into this video, but before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and install of this 99J 26-inch 180% density deep wave wig from Karlami Hair. So I have never tried a colorful deep wave or curly wig before, so this was completely new, and y'all, it's kind of eating. It really looks like the Memphis Little Mermaid is what it's given to me. I look like the Memphis Ariel, so I think it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute, you guys. Karlami actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all, but we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so here is the wig. We are going to go ahead and unbox this wig and get into this video. So here is the bag. Y'all know orange is like my favorite color, as you can see. But I'm pretty excited to try this wig because this is something I normally don't wear. So here's the headband. It does have Karlami on it. But let's go ahead and look at this wig. So this is a 13x4 99J 26-inch 180% density wig. Like, what? I've been very curious about trying a colorful deep wave wig, so this should be fun. This should be a lot of fun, you guys. It does have a tag on the wig. It does show where to follow the company on YouTube and Instagram. But let's get into this wig. Here is the wig, you guys. This is interesting. I've never had a wig like this. But okay, this is a full 13x4. You guys know I love a good full 13x4, so this is gonna eat. I might do like a cute little updo because it actually has enough parting space to be able to do a nice updo. But here it is, you guys. Looks so nice. So the first thing, we're going to go ahead and cut off this excess lace on the back, and we're gonna hop right into installing this wig, you guys. We're gonna get into it. Because this is like a colored wig, I am not going to bleach the knots. I'm just gonna let the lace tint do all the work in hiding the knots and maybe adding a little makeup towards the end. So first things first, we're gonna go in with our lace tint. This is in the color medium brown. I'm just gonna spray this all over the lace. We have a little more lace than usually, so we gotta spray a lot, you guys. So I'm going to blow dry the lace to get the lace tint really adhered to the lace. And let's go ahead and slap this wig on and see what we're working with, you guys. I am pretty excited. I've never had a wig like this, so, okay. This actually does not look that bad already. Like, I was kind of scared, but this actually is pretty cute. Okay, I kind of like it. I was kind of nervous. I've never had any kind of color in a curly wig, but this is already looking kind of cute. It's kind of eating, so first thing I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna install this wig a little differently this time because I want to install this wig using spray instead of using some kind of actual lace glue. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and cut off this excess lace on the wig. So I'm taking my eyebrow razor. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off this excess lace. I know sometimes I wait till after I glue it down, but we're gonna do things a little different. This is fun. This is already, I can tell this is gonna be fun. So we need to free the ears, so I am gonna create a little slit at the ear. I'm just gonna cut like a little slice right at the ear. And then that will let us be able to poke our ear out and maybe put the hair behind our ear if we wanna do that. So let's do that. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go in with our lace spray. This is gonna be a super fast and easy install. We're just gonna do 3 layers of our lace spray. So let's go ahead and do the first layer. And I'm just gonna kind of spread out the spray. And now we're gonna blow dry this. Okay, that's layer 1. Let's do layer 2. Okay, and now we're gonna do the last layer, but we're gonna do it a little different. So first I'm gonna put the spray down. Before we blow dry the glue, I'm actually gonna put the wig where I want it to lay. So we want it about right here. We're gonna cut my forehead off a little bit, make my forehead just a little bit smaller today. And we're gonna put the wig down. Just that easy, you guys. So that was what, like a 6-minute install in real time. Wasn't bad at all, you guys. And also, I'm just gonna tie the wig up for a second while I really let the glue just adhere to the wig. This added pressure really helps it melt. Okay, so now the wig is down. I think I do want to add like a little baby hair on the temples. I do love the way baby hair looks with a deep wave wig. So let's add just a little bit of baby hair. I'm still not exactly sure if I want to go for the side part or middle part yet, but let's add just a little baby hair to start off. And now it's already coming together, I feel. So now we're gonna do the other side. Let me blow dry that real quick. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do this side. Gonna cut off that hair and slick down this other little baby hair at the temples. And blow dry once again. This would be cute doing like a little half up, half down type of deal, but let's wet this hair and see how it looks when it's all wet and wavy. I really want to see that. I think that might eat. So I have my spray bottle here. I'm just gonna spray it and kind of just brush through the curls, honestly. Okay, so yeah, we're getting this thing super duper wet, so let's get all of the hair wet. I think I'm gonna go with the side part look. So we're just gonna get this super duper wet so we can get the real wet and wavy look going on. Okay. Okay, look at that, looks cute, okay. I might wanna do a middle part too now, like, I'm kinda liking this, especially when you get it wet. Okay, it's kinda eating. It's giving Little Mermaid. It's giving Little Mermaid. Like, they definitely should have gave the Little Mermaid some kind of wet and wavy look. But I do like the locks. The locks were cute. But it's giving Little Mermaid, honestly. The human world, it's a mess. Okay, this is pretty cute, you guys. Like, yeah, it's kind of eating the girlies up. It is. So we're gonna add a little bit of mousse to the top and actually mousse this down to style the top a little bit, get the top looking a little wet and wavy too. So let's do, you can do like a little flip over thing. Just added a little argan mousse and we're gonna hot comb it really quickly. Very cute. It's giving Little Mermaid, you guys. Okay. So also let me add a little bit of lace melt to make sure this matches my skin tone and the lace is really giving. So let's just go in with a little bit of that quickly. And bam, guys, there you have the finished look. This is really different than what I'm used to, but like, it's kind of eating. Like, it's definitely giving the Memphis Little Mermaid. It's giving K. Michelle a little bit. I do like it. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys.